Hello, my name is Akhila Mahidhara, and my project is called Analyzing the Gut Microbiome's Role in Combating Depression. My project focuses on the third UN Sustainable Development Goal, which is good health and well being. I hope that this project can even contribute a little bit to destigmatizing mental illnesses such as depression in the medical space. I feel as though mental illness is sometimes pushed off to the side, and I believe that it's very important to recognize that mental health is just as crucial to a person's good health and well being as their physical health is. Now, in order to understand the background of this project, it's important to have a fundamental understanding of the gut brain axis. The gut brain axis is a bidirectional communication network in the human body that links the enteric and central nervous systems together. There is a growing body of evidence pointing to the fact that there is a definite link between the health of certain intestinal bacteria and mental health, as well as cognitive abilities and the risk of mental health disorders such as depression. This suggests that some specific configurations of gut microbiota could potentially be instrumental in making breakthroughs in developing personalized treatments for depression. It's important to note that current treatments for depression aren't as effective as they could be, given that depression is a heterogeneous disorder. This means that different people have different reactions to different medicines, and it's just not enough to have one blanket treatment for every single person. Therefore, I decided to tackle this idea from a machine learning standpoint. Up until now, I have been working on developing a predictive mathematical model that can identify specific microbial signatures associated with depression and develop predictive models for depression risk and severity. In order to do this, I've collected high level gut microbiome data and clinical metadata regarding depression from public databases such as NCBI, which is the National Center for Biotechnology Information, the Human Microbe Project, and the Sequence Read Archive. My next steps will be to continue to use Python and machine learning languages to build a machine learning model using a classification algorithm called random forests. I will train this model using the data that I have collected about the gut microbiome as well as depression from these public databases, and to train this model to be able to predict depression severity given certain microbial signatures regarding the gut microbiome. I hope that my project can be one small step towards developing personalized treatment for depression, as well as to start a conversation about creative ways to demystify mental health. Thank you for your attention.